All right, we are doing part 2 of the KE lab. And our solutions today, a little different. We have 3 of them. We have, get a little marker here. We have 1.0 molar nitric acid. We have 0.002 molar iron nitrate, and that's in a nitric acid solution. So notice the difference. It's 100 times less concentrated than before. And then we have the same solution of KSCN of also 0.0020 molar. And that's also all, instead of dissolving in water, it's all dissolved in a 1 molar nitric acid solution. All right, so next thing is this time we don't have a big excess of Fe+3 driving the equilibrium to the right. We have more moderate amounts of each, so the equilibrium, we'll tend to see both reactants and products, but we'll be able to recognize the equilibrium. We'll look at the absorbance, match that up for what the concentration of FeSCN+2 is, then we'll work back to find these other things. We're using an ice box. All right, let's go to the data table that we're going to be filling in, and it is on page 89. And this is what our 3 demonstrateurs are doing today, Ishan, Raymond, and Andrew, and they have made 5 solutions. Solution 1 has 5 milliliters of nitric acid. It has 1 milliliter of KSCN, and it has 5 milliliters of iron nitrate, or Fe+3. It has 1 milliliter of the SCN, and it has 4 milliliters of HNO3. And we're going to keep Fe+3 constant. It's always going to be half of the amount, but we're going to gradually increase the KSCN at the expense in decreasing this. So I'm going to ask it a little bit. As you went from 1 to 4, did it get, or 1 to 5, did it get lighter or did it get darker? Yeah. Where are your things 1 through 5? Let's take a look at what they have. They kind of made this, and then they're going to demonstrate what we have. So I'm going to stop the share, and I suppose I should turn this way. And maybe you can tell us a little bit. Which one is number? Can you see that, or do we need
this one is number
like this? Tilt.
You need to see the color feeder. It needs to go down.
I need to see that. Give them a little white background from that paper. Put that behind it, right behind you. Okay. Yeah. Slide it right in this. Yeah. And maybe that is harder to do than it looks. Okay, so you can see, and so which one? This one over here is the one with the least KSCN, and then this one's with the most.
Yes.
Which is what you'd expect if you hold one constant, and the one with more would have more. And how did you measure out these amounts? What did you use? You used the pipettes, and I think we saw a demonstration of that yesterday, although the video might have been a little above or below the actual pipetting. Okay, probably a big thing with these pipettes, and I'm going to point this out here. It's real easy to do. This has, can they see this up here?
Oh,
very good.
No.
Get it to where
there.
Okay, so if you look at this, it goes, it'll say 9.876. There is a milliliter right here. So you always got to make sure to cut that number just into 9. There's another one and another one, and so on. So that would be pipetting. You could use a Brett. I think the pipette are a little bit more accurate and probably a little less expensive. Be able to do a little bit more portable to be able to work with right there. Okay, so we have all these things. Now we're going to go find the absorbances, and I think you put a blank in here, right? Oh yeah, we better take the computer. I forgot about you. We're shooting a video. Okay, so let's go over here and make sure we're actually seeing this right now. And they have a blank in here. Oh, you might want to shrink it to, yeah, and that's kind of maneuvering around. And we have the spec. Can you see the whole spec right there? So he's got 100. He's going to take that out of the cuvette. Can they see this right here now?
Yes.
Everything. They can see the little dials down here. So go ahead, take it out. Top, touch it at the top, touch it at the bottom, but not in the middle where the stuff is. And what he's going to do is take that out. You can take it out. It's okay. It's not going to bite. Oh, I see you're showing it. And you're gonna dump that out and you're gonna rinse it a couple times with it, or at least once with the solution you're gonna put into it. So get rid of the water and then put in what? Solution number 1. So dump that out, put in solution 1. And I don't think you need a pipette bulb. I think you can just pour that. If it get water on the outside, just wipe it off. And what I would do is maybe take a little bit of it. So you probably got 2 to 3 times the volume in there. And they take it and mix it around. Pour a little bit in there. Can you see that? That's fine. Okay, yeah, you probably don't want, and then what I would do is maybe just roll that and dump that out. Roll that and dump that out. Okay, we're gonna see if we're gonna get this all in one shot. Okay. The takes and the credits might be longer than the movie, okay? Okay, you're okay. You gotta dump it out. Dump it before you rinse it. Because you're gonna just dump that out, right? Because you're just doing a rinse, and he's probably gonna spill it again. Okay, just kind of playing the odds. Okay, now you can pour it in. Okay. Okay. No drink. Hey. Oh, no, you're touching your hands all over it. Okay, so wipe that off. Okay. This is the apple. Do not eat it. Okay. This is the middle of the cuvette. Don't touch it. Yeah, and then put the liquid in now. You're okay. Okay, we can't see you very well, but okay, there you go.
Okay, hold it from the bottom, just the bottom.
And don't do it right over the machine.
Don't worry. Just keep this steady. Watch your fingers. Don't worry, I don't spill. Hey, don't laugh, you scrub. Don't shake it.
It doesn't make any good.
Good?
Okay, a little bit more. That's gonna be good. I think that's fine. That's good. Okay, so now you're gonna put that in there. Remember how, is it pretty dried off? Does it look good?
Yeah, whatever.
Besides all of Raymond's fingerprints.
This is unbelievable.
All right, put that in there.
Raymond, you're special, bro.
Okay, yeah, there you go. You're good. And then you can put that down, and we should get a number less than 100. What is the reading?
83. 82.
Yeah, it's fluctuating between 82 and 83, so you can pick either one, and then you're going to repeat that process. And I think we're going to sign out here, okay? So I'll have a little bit about calculations in the next video, and you'll get an idea what we're going to be doing. And thanks for watching. Okay.